They are the unsung heroes of the contemporary dating scene. In the wide range of personalities that paint our world, a rare breed of men makes a permanent stamp on the canvas of our brains. A magnetic pole that is difficult to ignore, the enigmatic Sigma guys command an alluring attraction in their quiet, unassuming demeanor as they remain in the shadows, neither leaders nor followers. Their enigmatic nature is a testament to their strength as well as their distinctiveness. Women all across the world are strangely drawn to these men, their hearts speaking things that their lips are unable to say. Because of this, the subject of our video for today is Women Love These Masculine Qualities in Sigma Males. This attraction reminds me of one of the classic lines from The Godfather, where Michael Corleone says, "Never let anyone outside the family know what you are thinking." This attraction refers back to an age-old desire for the strong, silent type. The essence of Sigma guys who exude an air of mystery and unpredictability and conceal their thoughts under an overcoat of quiet confidence is nicely represented in this phrase. They represent the lone wolf character, strong and independent, lacking the need to announce their intentions or establish their value in a society that frequently values loud and extravagant shows of masculinity. Sigma males are a tribute to their tacit strength and quiet confidence. They redefine masculinity on their own terms rather than adhering to society's expectations. And as a result, they have a special patchwork of masculinity that women all over the world secretly like and appreciate. Number 1. Depth of spirit. A depth beyond the material world is a common trait of Sigma guys. They feel connected to something more than themselves and have a spiritual side to them. Their actions and worldview are influenced by their spiritual depth, which may be anchored in a particular religious faith or a more personal set of beliefs. Spiritual depth is an integral part of who individuals are, regardless of its precise shape. This attribute is appropriately summarized in the old saying that a Sigma male's spirituality is like a lighthouse, guiding him through the darkest nights, much as a lighthouse directs ships safely to land. The spirituality of a Sigma guy gives him direction and clarity even under trying circumstances. Women have a great deal of respect for and a secret crush on Sigma males because of their spiritual resiliency and purpose. Number 2. Zenlike peacefulness. Sigma guys are distinguished by a special trait, their Zen-like calm, that is both beautiful and strong. Sigma males frequently represent the calm in the storm, remaining unchanging even in the face of chaos. Their calmness is a true expression of their inner balance and tranquility, rather than only a facade. Women find this attribute to be very beautiful because it not only demonstrates a person's emotional fortitude, but also serves as a source of comfort for those around them. The quiet presence of a Sigma male can be a calming balm in a world that is frequently noisy and chaotic. Their reassurance comes from his serenity, which offers a haven in the midst of the storms of life. A Sigma male is like a calm lake, undisturbed even amidst the storm, is an ancient saying that perfectly describes this trait. Number 3. Proficiency of skills. Sigma males frequently exhibit a strong ambition to master a variety of skills in their pursuit of personal development and fulfillment. Whether it's playing the guitar, speaking a foreign language, or practicing martial art, they're always learning and improving their capabilities. They are dedicated to their own growth and lifelong learning, which is demonstrated by their passion, which extends beyond simple hobbies. It demonstrates how dynamic, constantly changing, and open to the outside world Sigma males are, as opposed to being static beings. This attribute is wonderfully summarized in the proverb, "A Sigma male's life is a canvas of skills, each stroke a testament to his dedication and growth." Each new talent they learn paints a new picture on the canvas of their lives, giving it depth, color, and texture. This provides them with an allure that attracts women like no other. Number 4. Physical health. A comprehensive commitment to personal well-being, which goes beyond mental and emotional health to encompass physical fitness, is frequently embodied by Sigma guys. They understand that there is an essential relationship between the mind and the body, and that having a healthy body can improve one's quality of life significantly. Because of this, A large portion of males in the Sigma fraternity are dedicated to preserving their physical health and fitness, frequently engaging in consistent exercise routines and adopting wholesome eating practices. This attribute is appropriately described by the statement, "A Sigma male treats his body like a temple, nurturing it with care and respect." It presents the Sigma men as having a serious and dedicated approach to maintaining physical well-being, which is evidence of their comprehensive perspective on individual well-being. One of the numerous traits that women secretly adore in Sigma guys is their fitness. Number 5. The characteristics of nobility. Sigma males have a unique trait that makes them stand out in a culture where seeking attention and self-promotion are frequently praised. They have an unpretentious demeanor that defies the need for continual recognition and attention. Rather than seeking the limelight, they choose to live their lives in silence and let their deeds speak for them. This characteristic is nicely encapsulated by the proverb, "A Sigma male's actions roar even when he whispers." It demonstrates how, despite their demeanor, their actions have a significant effect that goes far beyond what they say. Women are drawn to men who exhibit this quiet power and humility because it reflects a depth of character that goes beyond the usual outward demonstrations of masculinity. Number 6. Discernment. Male Sigmas are distinguished by their insight and exceptional quality. They thoroughly weigh the pros and cons of many options and evaluate situations with a great sense of judgment before making the right choices. They demonstrate a profound grasp of the world around them through their courteous and thoughtful behavior. A beautiful description of this attribute is the proverb, "A Sigma male's judgment is as sharp as a diamond cutter's blade." Women who value people who can make sound judgments find it appealing because it conjures an image of precision, correctness, and understanding. Having discernment is a key quality shared by men in the Sigma fraternity because it demonstrates their capacity to face obstacles in life with dignity and wisdom. Number 7. Strategic planning. The aptitude for strategic thinking that the Sigma guys have is one of their interesting traits. They naturally have a propensity for making judgments that are in line with their long-term objectives, anticipating future challenges, and planning ahead. Because it demonstrates intelligence, pragmatism, and an acute awareness of the larger picture, this strategic attitude is extremely appealing to women. A great way to describe this attribute is the proverb, "A Sigma male plays the chessboard of life with strategic grace and precision." It presents the Sigma male as a master of strategy, expertly navigating their way through chances and problems. Their capacity to think strategically not only exhibits their intelligence, but also conveys to women that they are solid, considerate people who can be a source of stability in a relationship. Making the Sigma journey has several advantages. Living a life as a Sigma male has many advantages, but freedom is the biggest one. You gain the inner strength to live life without apology and on your terms when you let go of worrying about what other people think of you. This covers many of the advantages of being a Sigma and is arguably what true Sigma men care about most. There are several reasons why women are attracted to the Sigma masculine archetype. Sigma guys are always ready to leave the situation to start with. Because it demonstrates that the man is self-assured and satisfied enough with himself to enjoy his own company, this is a quality that women find quite attractive. At the other end of the scale from undesirable features like clinginess, neediness, and desperation, this is a significant high-value indication. Women are also very drawn to novelty and mystery, and the stereotypical image of the traveling Sigma guy matches these characteristics wonderfully. Women are drawn to the males in the Sigma fraternity because of the qualities described above. Even when they are not in the spotlight, these traits make Sigma males stand out from the crowd and draw others to them. Do the points presented above sound true to you guys? Comment below and let us know. Take care until next time.